Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I just found a on-screen keyboard that might help in some of my videos. And I get, from time to time, I still get people asked about nudge and how I got it back. So I've got a 10-inch ellipse and I've got a 10-inch nudge. So if I'm just move it out of the way, it moves it out of the way 10 inches. Because then I can do it twice and I can change it, but I can put it back right back where it was. And then I thought, this will be a good chance to use this keyboard. If I'll hold down the control button and nudge it, let me make a copy first. Control D. If I nudge it over, it nudges over that far. If I hold down the control button and nudge it over, it's a micro nudge, and I've got it set on half the distance. So it's moving half the distance as your normal nudge. If I take my control key off, I get a full nudge. Now with the same thing, if I hold down the shift key and nudge, it nudges twice the amount. Those are settings. I have settings, and I've showed that in some other videos. So if you want to, move something out of the way quickly, hold down your shift key. I mean, I find this a lot. If I set my nudge just on like 0.1, and let me zoom in here. Well, can't really do it good with the keyboard. If I want to nudge that, there's 1 nudge, 2 nudge, 3 nudge, 4 nudge, 5 nudge, just to really kind of see the line. Okay, let me back up here, and let me hold down the shift key and nudge it. I'll actually use the onboard keyboard. Well, let me make a duplicate. Now watch how fast, even at 0.1, I'm actually holding down the shift and moving it to the left. See, it's getting a lot bigger nudge. Now let's go back, holding down the control button, and go back. Look how many moves it takes it, because it's a micro instead of a macro nudge. I think I might like my new keyboard when I show off something. It's real easy to do. All you have to do is hit Control, Window key, and the letter or the number or the letter O, and it brings up an online keyboard. It's a Microsoft probably Facet. It doesn't have the keypad, which I wish it did, but I'm thankful it's got the nudge, because these are your arrow keys, and I can show off the control key, just like the alt key. I show it off like a lot. Let's take a bunch of boxes, and if I want to just cut through here, if I hold down the alt key, of course this is going to make everything disappear, but it's going to cut those lines. That's not the best example, but the alt key will keep you in a straight path. If you just take the virtual segment delete key, see, it's building a box, but if you hold down the alt key, it draws a line. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody someday, and thank you for watching.